About the 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome, a rolling fortress that redefines luxury, performance, and survival all in one incredible package. At first glance, the 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome looks nothing like a traditional RV. This machine carries the unmistakable Lamborghini design language, sharp angles, bold lines, and an aggressive stance that instantly demands attention. The front fascia is dominated by a massive Y-shaped LED lighting signature, razor-thin headlights, and an armored grille that looks more like a battle vehicle than a camper. Every surface appears sculpted with purpose, blending aerodynamics with intimidation. The body panels are made from a combination of carbon fiber, titanium-infused steel, and advanced composite materials. These materials not only keep weight under control but also provide high-level ballistic protection. This motorhome is rumored to meet military-grade armor standards, capable of resisting small arms fire, shrapnel, and even explosive impacts from certain distances. Yet despite all that protection, the vehicle still manages to look sleek and exotic, staying true to Lamborghini's design philosophy. The side profile reveals massive reinforced wheel arches housing enormous all-terrain tires wrapped around custom-forged rims. These wheels are designed to handle everything from smooth highways to rocky desert terrain and muddy trails. The motorhome sits high off the ground, offering exceptional ground clearance, making it perfect for off-grid adventures in extreme environments. At the rear, the design continues with sharp edges, aggressive vents, and futuristic LED taillights. There is a large armored rear door that opens into the living space, along with hidden storage compartments for gear, supplies, and even defensive equipment. Some concepts even suggest an integrated rear ramp that can deploy to load motorcycles, ATVs, or other small vehicles. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because Lamborghini is not known for making slow vehicles. The 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome is rumored to be powered by a monstrous twin-turbocharged V12 hybrid powertrain. This system combines a high-output gasoline engine with multiple electric motors to deliver insane power figures, possibly exceeding 1,200 horsepower. That kind of power in a motorhome sounds unbelievable, but Lamborghini engineers have reportedly tuned the system to deliver massive torque for hauling heavy loads and climbing steep terrain. The hybrid setup also allows for short-distance electric-only driving, perfect for silent movement in certain situations or simply reducing emissions while exploring nature. Power is sent to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system with locking differentials and multiple terrain modes. Whether you're driving on snow, sand, rock, or pavement, this motorhome adapts instantly to provide maximum traction and stability. The suspension system is fully adjustable, featuring active air suspension with adaptive dampers that can raise or lower the vehicle depending on conditions. On the highway, the 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome delivers a surprisingly smooth and stable ride. Despite its massive size and weight, the advanced chassis engineering ensures minimal body roll and excellent handling for such a large vehicle. Acceleration is said to be shocking, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times rumored to be under 6 seconds, a figure that sounds crazy for an armored motorhome. Braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to massive carbon ceramic brakes with multi-piston calipers. These brakes provide consistent stopping power even under heavy loads or extreme driving conditions. Now let's step inside, because this is where the true magic happens. The interior of the 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome is nothing short of a rolling luxury penthouse. Every surface is wrapped in premium materials such as hand-stitched leather, alcantara, carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and exotic wood trims. The cockpit area feels like a Lamborghini supercar on steroids. You get a digital instrument cluster, a large central touchscreen, and a heads-up display that shows speed, navigation, terrain data, and vehicle status. The steering wheel features flat-bottom design, paddle shifters, and integrated controls for drive modes and suspension settings. The driver and front passenger seats are heavily bolstered, heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions. These seats are also reinforced with hidden armor plating for added protection. Moving into the living area, you are greeted by a spacious lounge with a wraparound sofa, reclining chairs, and a large dining table that can convert into an additional sleeping area. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, allowing you to customize the atmosphere with different colors and brightness levels. The kitchen area is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, refrigerator, freezer, and even a built-in espresso machine. Countertops are made from scratch-resistant composite stone, and storage cabinets are soft close and reinforced for travel durability. The bedroom features a king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress, adjustable headrest, and integrated lighting. There are large wardrobes, hidden safes, and secure storage compartments for valuables. The bathroom is more like a luxury hotel spa than an RV bathroom. It includes a walk-in shower with rainfall and body spray functions, a modern toilet system, a stylish sink, and heated floors. High-quality ventilation ensures fresh air and moisture control. Technology plays a huge role in this motorhome. The 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome is equipped with a next-generation infotainment system that supports voice control, gesture control, smartphone integration, and over-the-air updates. Multiple large displays are placed throughout the living space for entertainment, navigation, and system monitoring. A premium surround sound audio system delivers concert-quality sound, while multiple cameras provide a 360-degree view around the vehicle. Night vision cameras and thermal imaging systems help detect obstacles, animals, or people in low-light conditions. Connectivity is another strong point. Satellite internet, cellular boosters, and Wi-Fi routers ensure that you stay connected even in remote locations. There is also a dedicated control panel or mobile app that allows you to manage lighting, climate, security, and power usage. Speaking of power, the motorhome features a massive battery bank, solar panels integrated into the roof, and a high-output generator. This setup allows for extended off-grid living without relying on external power sources. The hybrid